It's a house. House is meant for arguments, debates, everything within the floor of the house is all permissible. We are all dealing with people's issues, and people's issues are there, and I've already said on the floor of the house that we will not violate CBC guidelines. Anybody who violates CBC guidelines in future will be in jail. That I am not one of those fellows who wants to sit in jail. I am appreciative of the dialogue that is taken up. It's the duty of the government to see that we deliver. And me as a minister, it's my responsibility to see that we deliver, and my responsibility will come to the Chief Minister because I will have to take his help to see that we are able to implement all these things. People fight for people's issues. It's our duty as a minister to see that we address the issues raised by the opposition. It's not only about the opposition, it's our people, our supporters also. Ultimately, people of Goa, we are dealing it. Once we are in government, we don't belong to any political party. But what we have been taught by the Bharatiya Janata Party is to serve the people in a very judicious manner, and that's what we are going to do. And we are doing.
सर पीपीपीचे तत्व जर हॉस्पिटल देणं गरजेचं आहे का?
सगळं गरजेचं आहे नाही आहे त्यांना ऑन बोर्ड घेऊन आम्ही करणार. मला काहीच लपवायचं नाही. मी स्पष्ट सांगितलं आहे CBC गाईडलाईन व्हायलेशन म्हणून जर माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काही काम झालं असेल ते व्हायला देणार नाही. सगळ्या गोष्टीला टेंडर काढायला पाहिजे. सगळ्या गोष्टीला CBC गाईडलाईन फॉलो करायला पाहिजे. नंतर दुसरं सरकार येणार आहे, दुसऱ्या मंत्र्याला तुरुंगात घालणार. बस.